2000 GMC Sierra 2500 Crew Cab SLT 4x4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile truck. 137,171 on the odometer at the moment. North Dakota truck, and it shows, and we're gonna hit on some of that as we walk around. First of all, 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. AC blows cold. New headlights in this one. You can also see has the aftermarket filled in grille. Good looking front end of this truck. Chrome. Looking good on the bumper. Tow hooks down below. Paint has a nice shine to it. One real small kind of little dinger here, I guess, if you will. But considering age and mile of this truck, it is well taken care of and it shows. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the engine bay, the interior, the undersides, the bed, every angle. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. All right, first of all, wheels. It's a stock polished wheels, and those things are like new. They were not on this truck its entire life, and that shows. Cooper Discoverer radials, and these tires are knee deep in rubber. Fender flares, new running boards on it also, and then look at how straight these panels are. Not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Lower rockers, looking good, not full of chips, rust, corrosion. If you look back here, looks like it still has the original kind of plastic coating. Cab corner solid. Polished tubular bed rails. Now you notice the side glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. Of course, the SLT package is going to have the leather bucket seats, power windows, power locks, mirrors. We'll get around to the driver's side. I'll go through some of that in just a bit. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See, it has a tow package, receiver hitch back here. By the way, the AC blows cold. Bed mat in the truck also. Pewter exterior. We're going to take a look at the leather interior here in just a bit. But first, remember, all those still pics, UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through them. You see it has dual exhaust. And again, you're going to be able to see the underside of the truck, engine bay, interior, and of course the exterior from every angle. If you like these GMC and Chevrolet pickups, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online or right off our showroom floor. Let's take a look at this back seating area. Door panels like new back here. Of course, leather seating surfaces. Those are in nice shape, and you'll get a good idea in the still pictures. Pictures from every angle. See the overhead console in the front. Headliner looking good. Mentioned the power windows, power locks, power mirrors earlier. Again, door panel armrests looking like new. Seating surfaces. This would have your fold down armrests also, as well as center console, tilt column, cruise control. There's the exact miles, 137, 171. Both key fobs and keys with this. Does have trailer brake already in it. All right, push button, 4-wheel drive, of course. 4-wheel high, 4-wheel low, 2-wheel high. AM, FM cassette and CD player. I'm gonna roll these windows down because it will lighten it up here and here a little bit. And AC is blowing cold. Stereo is working. This would have been prior to the passenger side airbag, as you can see. Dash looks like it's in very nice shape. You can tell this truck was stored indoors. Gauge is all working also, did notice that. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy over the top or exhaust. Just nice sounding. 5.7 liter, what you'd expect. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pop this hood a second. Let's get that open. Take a peek at the engine bay. And stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take it for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. All right, underside of the hood. Hood liner looks good. Again, original North Dakota truck. This thing is solid, really clean engine bay also. You may hear the AC compressor kick on and off because I do have the AC on. Of course, the Vortec in 2000. There's the AC compressor kicking on. Smooth running, good looking engine bay, and tried and true power plant, no doubt about that. So clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile 2000 GMC Sierra 2500 Crew Cab SLT 4x4. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 2000 GMC 2500 pickup truck. This is a crew cab. So you can bring the whole family, the whole work group, all your buddies to a car show or swap meet. Great running truck. Very well taken care of from the looks of it. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it easy to drive. Our HVAC system is blowing heat right now, as it should, on a cool Minnesota day. Wipers work on this truck. Leather bucket seats up front with folding armrests. Very comfortable. Power seats. Nice ride out of this truck. One of the last eras where you could still maybe call it a square body, the later gen square body Chevy truck. Got fender flares for a little better look. Overhead sunglasses storage and lights in the center of the ceiling. Center storage compartment between the seats. Our fuel gauge is reading a little over half, so is the battery, charging right where it should be. Oil pressure about 50 to 60, looking good. The temperature is rising almost to a quarter. It was a cool start a couple minutes ago. Just a slight rumble to the exhaust, the way it should be on these trucks. The corner's really nice, just hardly leaning at all. They put some good sway bars on these trucks so they don't tilt too much. Great cruiser. Kind of want this truck actually. Take a look at all the pictures of this Chevrolet truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.